everyone, welcome to our day 4 session of chocolate making. आप सभी का स्वागत है आज के डे 4 सेशन के चॉकलेट मेकिंग में. So before starting the session, let me tell you today's topic would be about filling of chocolates. तो आज का टॉपिक है basically filling of chocolate. Am I audible to you? You're on mute, Bhavika. Could you unmute yourself, please?
Dear, your voice is not coming. I can't hear you.
Is it audible right now?
No.
Okay, just a moment. Let me just have a check if I'm audible to others or not.
Yeah,
Guys,
this is better now. A little better than before.
okay. So I hope I'm audible to everyone. You can just say yes in the chat, guys.
Yes, now it is good.
Okay. मैंने तो माइक पूरा मेरे मुंह पे ही रखा है, but all
नहीं नहीं
right.
अभी सही है.
हाँ, ठीक है, all right. ओके सो आज का सेशन हम लोग फिलिंग्स के बारे में सीखेंगे. इन टुडेज सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट फिलिंग्स ऑफ चॉकलेट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टू टाइप्स ऑफ फिलिंग्स, ब्लूबेरी एंड चीज चिली. तो आज हम दो तरीके के फिलिंग सीखने वाले हैं, ब्लूबेरी फिलिंग चॉकलेट एंड चीज चिली फिलिंग चॉकलेट. So, we would be going ahead in four parts of this session. First, we are going to learn the process. Second, we are going to learn about the replacements and the variations which we could have. Third would be about the shelf life and pricing. And fourth would be about the common queries discussion. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे चार भाग में करने वाले हैं सेशन को. पहले भाग में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि प्रोसेस कैसे होता है, और सेकंड में हम सीखने वाले हैं रिप्लेसमेंट और जो वेरिएशंस रख सकते हैं इस चॉकलेट में. और थर्ड पार्ट में हम लोग सीखेंगे शेल्फ लाइफ और प्राइस क्या होगा. फोर्थ पार्ट में हम लोग कॉमन क्वेरीज के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. So yes, our first chocolate is about blueberry chocolate. Okay. तो हमें बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आई थी कि मैम आप सिखाइए हमें क्रश के साथ या फिर फिलिंग के साथ. So can we use crush or filling inside or not? So yes, we can use crush and filling inside, but the shelf life would be less. Okay. आप क्रश भी यूज कर सकते हैं, आप फिलिंग भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ कम होगी. ओके. और आज मैं आपको थोड़ी कलर चॉकलेट भी सिखाऊंगी, हाउ टू कलर योर चॉकलेट, दैट हमने आप कल सीखा, बट ऑल्सो हाउ टू कीप इट ऑन द मोल्ड, आप मोल्ड को कैसे डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके. आई जस्ट टिल द कैमरा एंड शो यू द रूम. So this is Mala's crushed blueberry and this is Mala's blueberry filling. Okay. So we'll be using this. You can use any product.
Okay.
Okay, so we are using a plastic mold over here. अभी हम सीखेंगे कलर करना. Okay, now we learn how to color your chocolate again. So I am taking some amount of white chocolate over here. Okay, to this I'll be adding blue color. That is oil based blue color. Okay, you can use purple, you can use any colors.
Chef Bhavika, could you just wipe the camera a bit because it's a bit blurry?
Okay. It sometimes come out of the focus just because I'm using the white bowls or something.
It's fine now.
Okay, this is our blue color. Okay. We have used oil based blue color. हमें blue color oil base use किया है. Okay, now I'm just taking some amount of color and chocolate in my hand. I'm just wiping it to get the effect. Okay, so it would seem something like this.
All right, all right.
And this I'll keep it in the AC or in the fridge for 1 minute. And then I'll pour the chocolate, that is white chocolate on this.
Okay, so could you explain this process in Hindi as well, please?
Okay, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने अभी व्हाइट चॉकलेट ली. सो हमने अभी यहाँ पे व्हाइट चॉकलेट ली, उसमें ब्लू कलर ऐड किया जो ऑयल बेस्ड था. ओके, ये हमने ब्लू कलर ऑयल बेस्ड यूज किया है. मैं आपको कंपनी बता देती हूँ. सो आई हैव यूज्ड गाइस मंगाराम कंपनी कलर्स. आई हैव यूज मंगाराम. मैंने यहाँ पे मंगाराम की कलर्स यूज किए. ओके, आप कोई भी ये कलर्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं, मैजिक कलर्स. ओके, एंड मैंने बस उसे कलर कर लिया है यहाँ पे व्हाइट चॉकलेट को हमारी. एंड देन उंगली की मदद से मैंने बस एक ट्विस्ट किया मोल्ड में ताकि वो इफेक्ट आए, थोड़ा शाइन इफेक्ट जो आजकल चल रहा है. एंड देन मैं उसमें व्हाइट चॉकलेट डालूंगी शेल बनाने के लिए. यू कैन यूज जैम्स ओवर हियर, यू कैन यूज, आप यहाँ पे मैं फिलिंग यूज कर रही हूँ, आप जैम यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज द फिलिंग व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग. मैंने इसमें कुछ भी नहीं डाला है, ना पानी डाला ना कुछ डाला. दिस इज डायरेक्ट फिलिंग आई एम यूजिंग ओवर हियर.
Can we use the homemade compote?
Yes, you can use homemade compote. So now this is ready. How to check? Touch it. It is not coming onto your hands. It is done. Now I'll make shell. अभी हम यहाँ पे shell बनाएंगे.
So chocolate को colored tempered करने के बाद color mix करना है क्या?
Yes, you need to temper your chocolate and then you need to add color and the shell. This is what we have to do in the process. It is compulsory to temper. आपको temper chocolate को करना compulsory है. अभी हम इसे रखेंगे फ्रीजर में. ओके, फॉर 1 minute टू मेक शेल. अभी we are going to keep this in the freezer for 1 minute to make shell.
All right.
Okay, this is our filling for blueberry. So now हमारी next chocolate है till the shells are ready. It is chili chocolate. Okay, it is only chili chocolate. So for that we require chilies over here. That is red chili flakes.
So are these roasted red chili
So
flakes?
these are directly from the market.
अच्छा, market bought का red chili flakes है. All right. So we can use the homemade one as well, right?
Yes, you can use homemade ones. Now I'll show you two type of molding this. Okay. Now in a bowl, this is tempered white chocolate. Okay, tempered white compound. I'm taking some amount of the chocolate over here. To this, I'm adding chili. Okay, and this goes in the mold. डोंट पुट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ चिली फ्लेक्स, आप ज्यादा चिली फ्लेक्स मत डाल दीजिएगा, वो बहुत तीखा हो जाएगा आपका चॉकलेट। ओके, ये हो गया एक मेथड कि आपने चिली फ्लेक्स डाल दी और कवर कर दिया। बट नाउ हम चिली फ्लेक्स लेंगे और यहाँ पे पहले मोल्ड में डालते हैं। We'll take chili flakes and we'll keep it in the mold. And now on this we'll add melted chocolate. अभी हम इस पे melted chocolate डालें। Okay. आज हम wrapping भी सीखेंगे chocolates की। We'll be also learning wrapping for the chocolates. And this is ready. It will go in the freezer for 15 minutes.
All right.
Now my shells are ready over here. Okay. Okay, cleaning the sides first. And now to this we'll add the filling. You can use 2 spoons or piping bags. Tapping this. And now I'll pour the white chocolate. You can open the question answers over here. So we'll just do the question answer session over here and the replacement and the costing. And also I'll come to the wrapping part.
ऑल राइट। सो गाइज हम लोग यहाँ पे चैट इनेबल कर रहे हैं, आप अपनी क्वेरीज बता दीजिए यहाँ पे। यू कैन जस्ट सेंड अप योर क्वेरीज हियर। आई हैव जस्ट इनेबल द चैट। सो इज दिस क्रश? यस, दिस वुड बी द माला ब्रांड ब्लूबेरी क्रश। Alternative of filling?
You can't do any alternative. You can put fresh fruits.
Okay.
Crush you can put.
Then we can have jam and compote.
Nutella or ganache, you can put that. Peanut butter.
All right, all right. So what can be the variations over here which we can have? Different flavors, right?
Yes, you can just do the variation is known as like you can do. Just give me a moment. Okay, so you can do peanut butter inside. You can do ganache. You can do with glaze. You can even put some amount of if you can mix paste kind of a hazelnut paste or anything you can put in that, or you can make some filling if you like orange zest you can put inside. In the herbs section, you can put, you can make some chatpata kind of by adding herbs. Okay, even you can add some oreganos and chili flakes. You can do that way. Even you get peri peri masalas. You can add that also to give a chatpata taste. Okay, or else you can also put cardamom powder and also you can put some kesar into it just to get a cardamom and kesar cut taste.
All right. So can we use fruit pulp for filling?
No, pulp is not allowed because it doesn't have sugar or something like that. It will get bad.
Okay, okay. And it looks red in color.
It
Why so?
looks
It looks red color. Why so?
the filling.
Yes, the blueberry filling, I guess.
No, the filling. Okay, can I get the filling, please? I'll show it to you. I guess it may be in the camera, but it is dark purple basically. I'll show it to you.
Actually, what basically blueberry is somewhat dark pinkish color when you crush it. So
Yes, no,
that's how you get the color.
yes. See now, if you can see the sides of this,
Yes.
it is purplish. But when I keep this way, it looks like red only, but it is purple.
Actually, it's red. It's looking red from here.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
basically, blueberry when you crush it, that's how the color looks like.
Yes,
Black
now
and
see,
pink. Yes. Yes.
yes, now see this.
Black, dark pink.
Yes. This is also the same thing what we are using.
Yes. Yes. It looks yummy. I could just have it just like that. Okay, I always face the problem in making shell.
In making shell, I guess you must be putting it for more time in the freezer or in the AC. आप कम time के लिए डालें, like keep it only for a minute and bring it out, or less than a minute.
Okay, okay. And can we use milk chocolate instead of white chocolate?
Yes, you can use milk, you can use dark chocolate.
ठीक है, ठीक है. How to make long shelf life blueberry chocolate?
No, you can't. You can just add dried blueberries and blueberry oil-based flavor.
All right. चिली के साथ बेस्ट मिल्क डार्क या वाइट कौन सा बेस्ट रहेगा?
White ज़्यादा better.
Okay. And white compound brand name please.
White compound molding.
In freezer it will intake water or not?
No, it won't.
What would be the name for the chili chocolate?
It is just a chili chocolate. You can just sell them as a chili white chocolate or chili chocolate also.
All right, all right. Can you show what was in both the containers?
Which containers? I already have this the containers
I
now.
think they are talking about the Mala's Crush.
Mala's crushed, I just showed the filling. Crush is also the simple one. It has the little liquidy, then the filling.
Okay. So won't the crush mix with chocolate?
No, it won't. You need to set the shell very nice.
How to make filling at home?
How to make filling at?
Home.
Okay, you can just take some pure fruits, normal fruits jo hota hai, you can just take that and add some sugar accordingly as per your taste, and then you can just cook it very till the time you get a very thick paste. And also there, I guess there's a course for it coming, right?
Yes. And what about the compote?
Composer is the same way. You just need to add sugar, water, and fruits, and just cook it for a long time till you get a thick paste, and that is known as composer.
Okay. And how to put the crush?
How to put the crust the same way with a spoon help or in the piping bag you can put it.
Okay. And how can we reduce the sweetness of dark compound chocolate?
Just add milk compound to it as per your taste you can add.
Okay. And is blueberry crush or filling both different?
Yes, crush can be used in milkshakes. You can use it in desserts and everything, and you can't do it a plating kind of, or you can't uh, thick nahi hai. The crush is not so thick, okay? But the same side, the filling is too thick, okay? And आप filling for desserts में और cakes में ही use कर सकते. You can't use that in milkshakes or some other.
Okay. Chili chocolate will taste good.
Yes,
So would it be spicy sweetie? क्या
Yeah, it would be
spicy or
spicy
sweetie
and
food?
sweetie. And don't take care that you add a very minimum amount of chili. Okay, the chili flakes are too spicy.
Okay, okay. My chocolate is getting hard while I'm melting it. Why so?
There would be water droplets inside that, or you must be in the cold temperature. If it not, then temper it properly or microwave it after some 1-2 minutes.
Okay, okay. How can we store our remaining ingredients like dried rose petals or sun-dried fruits?
Sun dried ones in the fridge and rose petals in the room temperature.
Okay. And could you show the blueberry boxes again, please?
Sure, I'll just get it. Blueberry crush and blueberry.
Chef Bhavika, your bandwidth is low. I mean, okay, now it's fine. It was saying your bandwidth is low. Okay, so what to do for longer shelf life?
Crush. Longer shelf life of what? You need to keep it in the fridge.
Okay. And how long will it stay?
In the fridge for 6 months at least.
All right, all right. I mean, chocolates को 6 महीने के लिए रखना भी बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है cause you feel hungry, you eat chocolates no matter what, it won't stay for long. Can we add strawberry crush?
Yes, you can. You can make any flavor. Blueberry की जगह आप ऑरेंज बना सकते हैं, स्ट्रॉबेरी बना सकते हैं, आप पाइनएप्पल बना सकते हो, पैशन फ्रूट्स, मेनी फ्रूट्स आर अवेलेबल.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So why are you not using freezer to hard I mean set the shell?
I am using freezer only.
ठीक है. So can we add dried blueberries or just the normal blueberries?
Dry blueberries भी also डाल सकते हो आप for more shelf life.
Okay, okay. All right.
We'll just show you this.
Yes, please. So both are
So
same
this is,
thing.
yeah,
It's just one is less and in a small container, and the other is in big container. Nothing else.
this is crush and this is filling.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. So bottle वाला crush है guys, and जो can वाला है वो filling है. दोनों अलग है. Okay. So could you show the difference, please? क्या आप difference दिखा सकते हैं?
Okay. Okay, just give me a moment.
All right.
Till the time I just demold this, till the time
All
I.
right. Sure, sure. Wow, बढ़िया तरीके से आ रहे हैं.
So this is what we have mixed it with the white chocolate, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this is only on the top.
ओके ओके सो यहाँ पे दो तरीके के हैं. ऊपर एक जो फिलिंग है और दूसरा है जो मिक्स किया है हम लोगों ने. ओके एंड दिस वुड बी द कलर्ड वन. ये है कलर्ड वाला.
Looking so pretty.
Chocolates are always pretty and tasty. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so can we melt the colored chocolate again in microwave if it is
Yes,
hot?
you can. So now this is the filling, and this is the filling. Can you see how thick it is?
Oh wow. So
And this is the crust.
okay. So crush मतलब filling गाढ़ा है crush से यही difference है guys. The filling would be
And
thicker
the
than the
crust is like this, like ekdam paste kind of stuff, pisa hua hai. Everything has been mixed like this. See,
yes.
and you have some pieces also.
Blueberry pieces, yes.
Yes,
Lots of them actually. Yes.
yes.
Amazing. So यही है difference आपका crush और blueberry filling में. Okay, so okay, could you show on how to make filling at home out of any seasonal fruit locally available?
I don't have any of the fruit available, and it's not. Uh, sorry, this is not out of the module. I can't do that.
Okay, okay, no issues. So don't we have to freeze it after putting the jam to set before putting the layer of chocolate on top to cover it?
No, you don't need to. You can directly do it.
Okay. So why is it cheese chili chocolate when there's no cheese present?
Uh, no, in the module it is normal cheese chocolate. Sorry, it is normal chili chocolate.
Okay, okay. We can change the compound according to our choice, right?
Yes, you can change your compound according to choice.
ठीक है. So can we use crushed candy like Alpenliebe etc.?
Yes, you can just crush them and you can put it inside of the filling.
चॉकलेट को कम स्वीट कैसे करें? डार्क कंपाउंड यूज कर सकते हैं क्या उसके लिए?
हाँ, आप यूज कर सकते हैं डार्क कंपाउंड.
So in today's chocolate only we can use this oil based color या कोई भी?
No,
And
oil based colors.
color blue ही होना चाहिए क्या?
No, as it is blueberry, that's why we are putting blueberry, blue color. आप कोई भी colors use कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है. So can we add the homemade strawberry compote?
Yes, you can.
अभी समर है तो फिलिंग लिक्विड फॉर्म में या बट विंटर में हार्ड रहेगा तो कुछ ऐड करने रहेंगे या ऐसे ही फिल करना होगा?
ऐसे ही फिल करना है मैम. आप बस एक बार मिक्स कर लीजिए अच्छे से, बॉटल को शेक कर लीजिए एंड देन.
So where can we get these chili flakes?
Normal grocery store.
Can we get this shiny effect in silicone mold as well, like we
No,
did in blueberry filling chocolate?
no. You need a polycarbonate or a plastic.
Can you tell how the design was made in the PDF picture of these chocolates?
The PDF which is also same. We have just done this way. Nothing else.
Okay, okay. All right, so you have used semicircle mold, but can you explain about circle mold with filling inside?
Circle mold also is the same process only. All shapes and sizes are same process. There is no different process in it.
All right. Fresh fruits, yes, we can add that. So, can we add normal blueberry as filling? Yes, we can do that. And can we use cheese in filling of chocolate?
Yes, you can use cream cheese, not cheese.
Okay, okay. Nutella with roasted peanuts can be added.
Sorry, Nutella with?
Roasted peanuts.
Yes, why not?
ओके ओके. कितने टाइम के लिए रखना है फ्रीजर में सेट होने के लिए?
10 से 15 मिनट.
For peanut butter, ready-made peanut butter will do, right?
Yes.
And the shelf life for the peanut butter chocolate?
3 days outside and 6 months in the fridge. Or 4 months would be better. Why? Because peanuts extract oil.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, let's go ahead with the packaging, please.
Yes, so for the packaging over here, I'll be doing first for the simple ones. So we have over here all aluminum foil wrap. Okay. Okay, this is normal aluminum wrappers. Okay. This way we just keep ये butter paper के साथ ही आता है aluminum foil wrappers. This is available with the butter paper. We'll keep it this way. Okay. And your wrapper is
Okay, so could you show this process in front of the camera, please?
okay.
Yes, this is perfect.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I'll take one more over here this way. Okay. Why we are taking butter paper? Because it won't melt. The chocolate won't melt. हम butter paper क्यों use कर रहे हैं? ताकि chocolate melt ना हो.
Okay,
So
okay.
now this is normal aluminum foil wraps. Okay, ये हो गया हमारा aluminum. Now this is gelatin wraps. Okay, ये इसी size में कटे हुए आपको मिलते हैं. You get this at this size available only. So we'll take one over here and two sides ऐसे पकड़ेंगे हम. फिर यहाँ से, फिर यहाँ से, and we'll just tie this with. This is known as tie pins. So we'll just tie with this and twist.
All right, all right.
Okay, I'll show one more in plain gelatin, like the transparent ones. So ये जो हमारी कलर चॉकलेट थी मैं आपको वो बताती हूँ. Okay, we'll just tie this up. Okay, same way.
All right, this looks really cute. So ऐसे wrapping करते हैं guys chocolates को. तो आपने टेक्निक देख लिया है. अगर आपको फिर से देखना है तो आप रिकॉर्डिंग्स बाद में ज़रूर चेक कर सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ पैकेजिंग इज डन. इफ यू वांट टू सी इट अगेन लेटर ऑन यू कैन ऑलवेज वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग्स.
Now I'll show you bar wrapping.
Yes.
So you do get aluminum foils and gelatin wraps at this size. This is A5 size. Okay, हम यहाँ पे ऐसे बार रख सकते हैं. Triangle बनाना है आपको यहाँ पे. So we'll make a triangle over here, and then we just start from here also. For Kit Kat also, okay, sorry. You can use this or else this is that. This is known as a Kit Kat wrapper also. ये quality को Kit Kat wrapper भी बोलते हैं.
ठीक है. Okay. This looks lovely as well.
And we have made this small bar yesterday. Bounty chocolate पे. We'll also wrap this. You do get available this size. मतलब मैंने cutting किया है. I've just cut it. Okay. There's this way. How do you pack the gift wraps? The same. So your normal chocolate, bar chocolate, symbol wrappings, transparent wrappers, square and circle for the normal aluminum ones.
Amazing. सो गाइस ये है रैपिंग एंड यहाँ पे चॉकलेट्स रेडी हैं सेल करने के लिए. सो दीज चॉकलेट्स आर रेडी फॉर सेलिंग. ओके. सो कैन वी यूज किसान फ्रूट जैम इन फिलिंग?
Yes, you can.
Can we add butter instead of cocoa butter in basic chocolate making?
Yes, but आप उसे ज़्यादा गर्म मत कर लीजिएगा. Don't heat it more. And it is only for one time practice. Okay. Afterwards, you need to buy cocoa butter.
Okay, so could you tell us the price for these two chocolate which you made today?
Okay, so the chocolate pricing for the normal chili cheese would be 8 rupees to 10 rupees. Chili chocolate.
Okay.
And the next that is our blueberry filling. That can be till 10 to 12 rupees per piece.
All right. Okay. So, okay. So what would be the shelf life for both these chocolates?
Both these chocolate for the filling chocolate, the blueberry filling, you can store that in the fridge for approximately a week.
ठीक है, तो एक हफ्ते के लिए आप स्टोर कर सकते हैं रूम टेम्परेचर में एंड 6 महीने फ्रिज में, राइट?
यस. 6 महीने फ्रिज में नहीं, एक हफ्ते फ्रिज में ही.
ओके, इन रूम टेम्परेचर आल्सो 1 वीक एंड
नो, रूम टेम्परेचर पे ओनली 1 या 2 days.
ओके. सो 1 से 2 दिन हम रूम टेम्परेचर में रख सकते हैं, फ्रिज में हम लोग रख सकते हैं 1 हफ्ते के लिए. ऑल राइट. So after packaging, would the costing be different or would it
No,
be?
it would be the same. With packaging only I'm costing.
Okay, so यहाँ पे costing with packaging ही लिए गए हैं. Okay, so while wrapping chocolate starts melting, what should be done?
Wear gloves and use AC room to wrap it.
Okay. And can we use any packaging paper for the chocolate?
No, chocolate wrappers come. The aluminum foil also comes. Like chocolate wrappers, and transparent sheets also come in chocolate wrappers. They have an exact size of.
All right. So could you repeat the process again for these two chocolate in short, please?
Yes, sure. For chili chocolate, we have given two parts. मैंने हमने दो तरीके के सिखाए हैं. So in the first, what we have done is we have mixed the white compound and chili flakes together and mixed it, and we have poured in the mold. Second, we have only kept some amount of chilies in the mold and then poured all the white compound to it. Okay, so that was our chili chocolate. Next, it was blueberry filling chocolate. So we have used filling, okay, that is blueberry mala's filling. We have made a shell, but before shell, we have colored the shell. For coloring the shell, we have used oil-based blue color, and then into it that we have added white compound. We have made a blue color, and with the fingernail, I have just twisted it like I have given a design. To that, I have added a simple white compound to make the cover. Okay. Then we have kept that in the freezer for 1 minute. After that, when the shell was ready, we have put it the filling inside, and then we have covered it with the white. That was our recap of the day.
All right. Okay. And I'll just enable the chat here. मैंने यहाँ पे chat enable किया है. Please अपनी queries भेजिए. I was just saying, Ishwarya ma'am making chocolate with us. मैं यहाँ पे starting में ऐश्वर्या मैम को देख रही थी, chocolate बना रहे थे हमारे साथ.
Okay.
I guess she has disabled her camera. No worries. So for those who have already made the chocolates, you can just enable the camera and show to our chef Bhavika.
Okay,
हमारे
I'll just come behind the camera and I'll see it.
यस सो जिन्होंने भी चॉकलेट बनाए हैं प्लीज़ अपना चॉकलेट्स दिखाइए ताकि शेफ भाविका देख पाए गाइस. Okay. So I guess there's no one right now who is making these.
Okay. No, there's Swati.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so amazing. Oh wow. बहुत ही बढ़िया बनाया है. तो चीज चिली का क्यूब्स जैसा बनाया है एंड जो वो अल्पेनलीबे जैसा होता है बड़ा वाला वर्जन यहाँ पे बनाया है ब्लूबेरी का. बढ़िया बढ़िया. बहुत ही बढ़िया दिख रहा है. अमेजिंग स्वाति मैम. Yummy. All right. Thank you so much. So, is there anybody else who has already made the chocolates with us? जो हमारे साथ यहाँ पे चॉकलेट कर चुके हैं पहले या फिर अभी कर लिए हैं? प्लीज अपना कैमरा इनेबल कीजिए ताकि ओ वाओ रानी मैम हैज मेड वाओ दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल रोल्स
Flower molds she has used. That's nice.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Oh, Kajal ma'am has made chocolates as well. Amazing.
There's a bar, there's some yellow chocolate. There's some lollipop. I can see that's good. Even I can see milk chocolate also.
So pretty. बहुत ही बढ़िया दिख रहा है. बहुत ही डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस के चॉकलेट बनाए हैं यहाँ पे. दुकान खोल दिया आपने तो. Amazing. All right. Yes. So.
Okay,
Oh,
there's one for iPhone. I don't know. Yes.
yes. Wow, this looks amazing. I hope the chocolate has something inside like a surprise. None or less, it is chocolate anyways. Amazing taste तो होगा ही. Oh wow, yes, surprise. Nuts and amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया बनाया है.
One more, Shweta Goyal.
Shweta Goyal, yes. See, this is what I wanted to see. Lots of people making chocolates, different kinds of. Amazing. ये सब देखते हैं ना मेरा पेट भर जाता है to be honest.
Yeah, she has made so nice pink color chocolate, pink and white effect chocolate.
बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है. काश मैं एक एक करके टेस्ट कर पाती यहाँ से to be honest. Amazing. All right. Yes. Let's go ahead with our query.
Yes.
Okay, so अभी हम लोग queries लेते हैं guys. So how can we pack slabs in transparent paper to prevent it from melting also?
Okay, give me a minute. Yes, to wrap them, you also get this kind of wrappers also. Okay, आप उसमें wrap करके रख सकते हो room temperature पे या fridge में.
Okay. And shelf life for chili chocolate again, please.
1 month in the room temperature, 6 months in the fridge.
Okay. Can we use stainless steel or plastic bowl to do double boiler method of
Yes.
melting the
Yes.
गनाश कैसे डालते हैं?
पाइपिंग बैग में भर के आप डाल सकते हैं.
Could you repeat the price again, please?
Yes, for the blueberry ones, you can sell that for 10 to 12 rupees. For chili cheese, chili chocolate, you can sell it for 8 rupees to 9 rupees.
ठीक है. Okay, so if butter paper not used in packaging, will it melt?
Yes, a slide, it will have a chance to melt fast.
ठीक है. And can we add a pinch of salt in chili chocolate?
Yes, you can. Or else even you can add a pinch of herbs, that is the chili flakes. Or else, the oregano.
All right. I mean, I don't know. I never tasted salt in chocolate, but yeah, sure. This
You
I
can
would
add it.
try.
It would really taste nice.
Yes, I would love to try it. Okay, so how to use tamarind as filling?
Tamarind, that is haldi. Okay, आप हल्दी कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? You can just put a little amount of honey into it, and you can put it inside as a filling.
Okay. Okay, guys, for those who are ready with their chocolates, we can, see it again after 5 minutes after taking the queries. मैं यहाँ पे 5 मिनट queries ले लेती हूँ, फिर हम लोग आपके पास आते हैं आपके चॉकलेट सेकने के लिए. Okay, so after putting in the filling of jam and covering it with a white compound, it did not stick with the shell once I had made it. So why this must have happened? Could you tell us,
You
please?
have kept your shell for more time. That's why it did not stick. You just need to keep it for 1 or less than 1 minute only in the freezer.
Okay. And what would be the approximate cost of these wrappers?
Okay, this wrappers, I guess almost 100 pieces comes of 60 rupees. And this also same 60, 70 rupees packet. And the tie pins are of 20 rupees. Okay, I guess a bundle comes.
So this would be like dozen pieces you're talking
No,
about,
no,
right?
not dozens. I guess this much is the quantity of that aluminium foil. It is almost 100 pieces. This comes for 60,
Okay.
70 rupees.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
And a full packet for this comes like, see this much. It is almost again 50 or 80 pieces. 20 rupees.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just
Then
twist
अच्छा,
tie.
okay. All right. So could you show us on how to make chocolate bouquet?
Chocolate bouquet.
Yes, the flower chocolate.
Flower chocolate, you can just use a normal flower mold, but of course for the bouquet, there's something different. It is out of the module. You need some decoration pieces for it.
Yes. So why 1 week for blueberry?
1 week because there's a compote or filling inside which can extract moisture easily.
Okay. Could you tell us more about packing material of chocolate, please?
This is the best packing materials I also use for my corporate orders. I also pack them like this and sell them. Like I just put a transparent wrapper on this again and a polythene bag, and then I sell these. Okay, and for these also I do have a bag. Can I get a bag, please? Okay, I'll show them.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Next question. I'll just show it to you till
Yes,
the
yes.
time.
Any name for oil color so that I can ask for in the store?
Okay, it is magic colors and it is mangaram.
ठीक है. So क्या आप एक चॉकलेट कट करके दिखाएंगे प्लीज?
Sure, sure, sure. So this is the bag what I was asking for. You can just give 100 grams of it in this, and you can just put it at this side. Can
Okay.
you just keep the camera down? Okay, it looks presentable to your customer and gifting them.
All right. Okay. So
I'll just cut a chocolate and
yes,
also.
please.
Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible. Yummy, yum. I wish you could have had it.
Yes.
Okay. So can we use makhana in the center filling?
Makhane, I guess, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you can use that, but it will get soggy.
Okay. And gel colors won't work with chocolates, is it?
No, it won't because it has some amount of water in it. That's why.
Okay. And what can be done so chocolate doesn't melt after packaging?
Just keep it in the fridge for some time that you can give it to them, or else if it is summer, it will melt.
Okay. All right. And can you show the color you used today?
Yes. See the chili flakes.
All right. All right. ठीक है. Okay. So what is the size of the wrappers?
It is mandatory given from the company only. We don't have measure this any time. ये company से ही आता है ऐसे size बन के. मैंने measure कभी नहीं किया ऐसे. This is Mangaram I have used.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay. And what about the jam filling? If we use that, what would be the shelf life for that?
Same way, same as blueberry.
टेम्पर्ड के बाद टेम्परेचर क्या रखना चाहिए?
32 for dark, 29 or 28 for white, and 30 to 31 for milk.
Okay. And why do we use butter paper for packaging?
So that all the moisture from the chocolates, the butter paper will soak.
When to add rice puffs while making chocolate?
Sorry, come again.
When to add rice puff while making chocolate?
You can just take some part of the chocolate, melted chocolate, and some rice puff, mix it, and then pour it as a filling only.
Okay, so could you explain more about the tempering, please?
For tempering, as I said, as it is compound, you need to take a bowl, melt the chocolates for 30 seconds in the microwave, and temper it. Okay, when you temper those chocolates, you will see it is coming to the room temperature. But how to check the temperature? You can use a thermometer or a thermogun, or else behind the hand, like palm ke piche over here. If it burns, if you give some sensation, it means you need to temper it more. If it is normal, okay, then you can use it.
Okay, okay. All right. And
So is there
can
anyone
we,
who has made some more chocolates? Yes, please continue.
yes, yes. Can we use cling foil for wrapping the chocolate?
No.
Is the butter paper necessary for wrapping small chocolates, or we can do it without it?
You can do it without it. For the best result, you take the wrappers with the butter paper.
And what did you tie the chocolate with?
It is twist ties available.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. So, please come to the camera. We have people here who are showing their
Okay.
chocolates. Yes, this looks really amazing. Okay.
Oh wow.
Yes, amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया दिख रहा है.
Mannat Kaur, I guess, right?
Yes, yes.
That's nice.
Oh wow, पैकेजिंग भी कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे. बढ़िया.
Oh, there's a kid, Yogesh Patel, I guess.
Yes, please enable your camera, guys. For those who have made the chocolates already, जिन्होंने भी यहाँ पे chocolates बनाए हैं हमारे साथ, please अपना कैमरा enable कीजिए. Okay, we have Aarti ma'am. Okay, yes, Aarti ma'am has enabled her camera here. I hope it's visible. Oh wow, this is amazing. Filling
Wow,
भी
that's
किया,
nice.
color भी किया है ऊपर से. बढ़िया. बढ़िया, बढ़िया. Okay, yes, we have Savita ma'am as well. Yes. Yes, Savita ma'am, you can show the chocolate here. मैं देख रही थी यहाँ पे सविता मैम की बेटी आई गेस यहाँ पे चॉकलेट दिखा रही थी, बड़ा सा चॉकलेट स्लैब.
Yellow color chocolates. I can see pink color chocolates. That's nice.
And the slab as well, the dark
Yes.
chocolate slab. Amazing. बहुत
बहुत अच्छा
बढ़िया,
बनाया है.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. ये सो डू वी हैव एनीबडी एल्स? यहाँ पे और कोई है जो हमारे साथ चॉकलेट बना चुके हैं पहले से या फिर अभी बनाया है? आप अपना कैमरा इनेबल कीजिए प्लीज. ओके. ओके, सो वी हैव oh, we have Neha ma'am over here with all the packaging she has completed. Wow. I hope it's visible to you, Chef Alka.
Yes. That's great. Green, pink. Now, nice.
हाथ किए हैं छोटे छोटे, बहुत ही बढ़िया. All right. Okay, so yes, Rani ma'am has done all the nuts flavor and I see tutti frutti as well. यहाँ पे मुझे tutti frutti और nuts flavor का भी दिखाई दे रहा है. बढ़िया बढ़िया.
बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया मैम आपने. ब्लू कलर की चॉकलेट्स भी बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है.
Yes, yes.
So now I guess we can see Savita ji ke chocolates clearly.
Yes, yes.
Nice. Very
Double heart
nice.
shape chocolate. Oh wow,
Bar shape. Wow.
amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया. चॉकलेट्स में किशमिश होते हैं तो और भी टेस्टी लगते हैं.
Yes.
So yes, we have Manjar ma'am. Let me put her on spotlight as well. थोड़ा सा zoom in. Could you just zoom in a bit, zoom out a bit, Manjar ma'am? Yes, these look lovely. Hearts.
Wow. Nice. Filling chocolates भी बनाई है मैम. Yes. मैम आपका शेल बहुत ज्यादा है, फिलिंग कम है. आप प्लीज उस चीज का ध्यान रखिए. Very nice.
All right, all right. Yes. सभी अभी कैमरा इनेबल कर रहे हैं, which is amazing. Oh wow, Shakti over here has made this is that the piñata mini piñata version of chocolate?
Yes. That's the only thing. Like choco bomb, we can also say that.
Wow, this is amazing. सब प्रोफेशनल है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Okay, I guess that's all we have. Okay, we have one more person here who has made the chocolate. Yes, okay.
Okay, that's Savita ma'am. No, not कोई और है, I guess.
I guess they are trying to put their camera in the chocolate, but no worries. Yes, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग प्रोफेशनल है, बहुत सारे ट्राई किए हैं खुद. Okay, yes. I see stars. Oh,
Yes, wow,
Christmas
that's
tree.
nice. Christmas trees, teddy bears, stars. Very nice.
Amazing, amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया दिख रहा है. I wish I could just have it, to be honest. मेरे पास सिर्फ plain chocolates पड़े हैं और कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे तो
There's one
different
more, I
shapes.
guess.
Yes, Sangeeta ma'am. Oh wow. ये तो मीडियम साइज के चॉकलेट्स है.
Yes. Very
बढ़िया
nice.
बढ़िया. I could just say in Bengali that all these chocolates look heavy.
Oh, wow, that's great.
All right. So yes, we would be ending the session for now, guys. अभी के लिए हम session end कर रहे हैं. So before ending the session, let me tell you that tomorrow would be the last day. कल होगा आखिरी दिन. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to learn different type of chocolates like marble chocolate, which is vanilla and the milk compound. हम लोग डे 5 के सेशन में मार्बल चॉकलेट जो मिल्क और डार्क आई मीन मिल्क कंपाउंड का चॉकलेट एक साथ डालेंगे, और फिर बार्स विथ फ्रूट पैशन, bars with berries love, Oreo cream bars. So here we are going to learn bars with fruit passion, bars with berries love, and Oreo cream bars for tomorrow's session. It was really lovely to see everybody trying all these chocolates, and we are glad to see that you all get to learn these chocolates and gain a lot of business as well. आप खुद ये try करके खुद improve कर पाए अपने business में भी. So thanks a lot, guys, for attending the session, and a big thanks to Chef Bhavika for making our day way more chocolatier by her amazing chocolate making sessions. And thanks a lot, guys. See you tomorrow at same time. कल मिलते हैं same time में. हम लोगों को feedback ज़रूर दे दीजिएगा. Do give us a feedback. See you tomorrow, guys. कल मिलते हैं
Thank
same
you. See
time
you
में.
guys tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye everyone. Bye Chef Bhavika.
Bye.